back to my channel CodeWithAry. So in today's video, we are going to learn anchor tags in HTML. So let me make a file first. Let me. Oh, sorry. Yep. Let me name it anchor 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 underscore tag dot html. Don't forget to add this extension dot html. Okay. Now I will make this file and I will simply first insert a boilerplate. Yep. Okay. So let me first tell you that what is an anchor tag. So an anchor tag is simply used to insert a link in a web page or .com, and if I will click on this, so it will open a next web page, a different web page. And how it worked? Because of a anchor tag. So how can we insert an image anchor tag? Sorry. So first let me name it anchor tag. And so now let me show you that how can you insert an anchor tag in HTML. So in for VS Code, you have to simply write a, and this first suggestion, this you have to, sorry, this one you have to click this, and here is your tag, this anchor tag in HTML. This is your tag here. Okay, so here what you have to give here is the, here you have to give the link of the web page or site that you want to give, and here you have to write that what it will show. Like I want to give the link of my codewithary.blogspot.com. So I will write here https codewithary.blogspot.com. Yep, so this is my site. I can also check it by control plus click. Okay. Okay. See. Okay. See. As you can see that it will open my web page. Like it has opened. Okay. So now like if we will go live. So let us wait. Okay. So as you can see that there is nothing. But you will say that we have inserted an image tag here. Oh, sorry, anchor tag here. So why it has not came here? Because you have to show something. So write something that will show by clicking. Like if you will view page source, the anchor tag is here, but it is not showing here. Why? Because we have to write here something. Like if I will write it code with Airy, and now I will see. Now I will open. But if I will click on this, so it will the web page open on that tab only. But we want that the web page will open in this tab, in another tab, like like I have done now. So for that you have to simply write here target target is the attribute of an anchor tag. Target is equal to underscore blank. I have autocomplete. I have there was auto completion, but the auto completion that I have get now, that is not provided by the VS Code. For that, you have to go to extension and install tab 9. This is a very good extension that will that will increase your productivity in coding. What means it is a best auto completion extension. Let me close it. Okay, so like when we will give this target is equal to blank, now when we will click, it has opened in the another tab. So this is one attribute of anchor tag. Okay, so anchor tag can be you can write anything here. Like if I will write any rubbish thing here, and when I will go to here, like here, and you can also done it by image. So let me go to image one file and I will copy this tag. Yep, I will copy this tag and I will paste here. Okay, and now see the image is here and our website is also here. Okay, so so now I will tell you that how can you send a mail using anchor tag. You will think that we can, but the mail is we can send mail using website using backend, but you can also send mail using anchor tag. Let me show you. When you will write here a and this will come a mail. Yep, and here you have to write the email address. So like I will write any five five five. Yep, I will add anything here because I will not reveal my real address. Ha ha ha. Sorry, guys. I was just joking with you. This is not my real address. Email address. You have to write your email address here, real one, and you have to write here like mail me. I will write here and see it is here. When I will click on mail me, it will open the mail default mail app of um Windows. Okay, so this was in this video. I'll move to next part. Before that, I will not suggest you to use this tag because anyone can view page source, can see your email address and can spam your email. So that's why I am saying that do not use this tag because if you will make the mail system using backend, so your mail address will also be not revealed and your mail will be not spammed. So this was in this video. I'll meet you next part. Till then, take care and bye bye.